All right, I'll show you how I do my masking. I've got three things. I've got a credit card, an X-Acto knife, the masking, and a piece of wood. Like a genius, I'm going to put this sharp knife in my pocket so I can possibly stab myself. And then all I do is I position the material long ways away from me on my lap. I then pull out a length of the masking, about 3/4 of the length of the material or so, and just place it on there as straight as I can, but I don't worry too much about it because I typically don't get all the way to the edge of the material anyway. And then I get it kind of wrinkle free, smooth it out with my hands, and then when I get to the end, I simply flip the material over, and then I pull it all the way out and smooth it again as I go. When I get to the end, I grab the X-Acto knife that I stored safely in my pocket. This is a super dull knife, so it's especially safe. And then I just cut the end off and throw the knife on the floor out of my way. Grab my trusty Cash App Visa card or whatever straight edge I have handy, and I simply push all of the wrinkles out. And as you see, this entire video is about 90 seconds. I would have done it faster if I wasn't recording. So it's extremely easy to do and takes almost no time at all. Hope that helps. If you have any questions, let me know. But I think you'll be masking your own stuff really easily and quickly.